G'day guys, it's Apple Mastered here today, and today I'm going to show you guys the best cartoon effect in Photoshop 2025. So start on a locked background layer and then click Select, Select and Mask. Now come to Select Subject, and once your subject has been selected, use the plus and the minus buttons to add or remove your selection until you're happy with the selection. Then click in the right corner Output to Layer Mask and click OK. We'll now remove the background. We now want to duplicate the layer, so we'll click Ctrl J on Windows or Command J on Mac, and we'll work on this new layer. You can now click Filter, come down to Filter Gallery, and here you want to select Poster Edges as the filter. And for the edge thickness, we want to put it on 2, edge intensity 1, and posterization 2. Then click OK. 002 is what a lot of people use, but I prefer the numbers listed. Now, come back to Filter, go down to Stylize and click Diffuse. Now you want to select the anisotropic option and click OK. Okay, the next step, you come back to Filter and then you go to Stylize, and this time click Oil Paint. We're going to add an oil paint effect. So stylization we're going to have at 3.0, cleanliness at 10, scale at 0.1, Bristol detail 0.0, minus 60 and 1.3 for the bottom two settings. Then click OK. So now come back to Filter and go down to Sharpen, and now click Unsharpen Mask. The amount we're going to select as 150%, radius 5.0, and the threshold is 5. Then click OK. As you can see now, it's coming together. So under where it says normal here, you're going to click the overlay option. And as you can see now, it's created a nice cartoon effect so far. However, the oil paint feature creates a lot of wrinkles on the face, as you can see here. And this is not what we're after. From this point forward, we're trying to remove the wrinkles. As you can see in this photo here, this is what a final image will look like, with all of the wrinkles removed and the effects that we'll add. And then this is before. So as you can see with the wrinkles, he looks 40 years older than without them. So from now, we're going to go to Filter, Blur, and then add a surface blur. For this, we're going to set the surface blur radius at 5 and the threshold at 35. That's a sweet spot. Any higher, it's too blurry, and any lower, the wrinkles still show. As you can see here, it's already made a massive difference and got rid of a lot of those wrinkles. But there's still some there, so we're going to go even further now. This is what I like to do. So from here, what I like to do is select the Spot Healing brush tool, and then right click, Alt and left click, and then hit continue, and then press I on your keyboard for the eyedropper and just click somewhere on the face to get the color. And now from here, as you can see, I'm just left clicking and coloring in the wrinkles on the face to remove them. This now removes the wrinkles when you color them in with this patching tool. Okay, parts of the image will require a larger and smaller brush. So to adjust the brush size, simply hold Alt on Windows and Options on Mac, and then right click, hold the right click, and then move your mouse left or right to make the brush smaller or larger. So you want a smaller brush for the detailed tight areas, like the sides of the hair, near the nose, underneath the eyes, and then for parts such as the forehead, you want a larger brush. Keep the thickness of the brush on full, so don't decrease the thickness. So this won't take too long. I'd say the whole process should take you about 10 minutes, 10 to 15, to go through and remove all of the wrinkles on the face. And once you're happy with that, your image will be complete. So as you can see here, I'm removing the wrinkles. Just be careful while doing this not to remove parts that are in black, such as the eyebrows or the hair, as this will remove the tool will remove these parts if you hover over them. So just stay on the skin of the face. As you can see now, comparing the two, it's looking a lot better. This is looking like a proper animated cartoon effect. So now you have the option if you wish. I like it just like this. However, first we'll put them side to side. Here you go, here's the original image, and we'll put it next to ours. I think we've done an excellent job at creating a cartoon effect. You can see the original next to the new one. This is optional. You can come to the layer and then click color lookup, and under 3D you can come down to crisp warm look. And here's another option. Some people like this. So this is before, and then this is after. It's completely up to you. Whichever you like the look of best, go for it. If you like this warm sort of look, or if you like the original. Personally, I prefer the original, so that's what I'm going to stick with, but it's totally up to you. As you can see now, guys, it's complete. This is the final product. In this case, we have done it without a background. So now you want to make sure that you go File, Export as PNG. Otherwise, if you try and copy and paste the layer to another Photoshop document, you will lose the overlay effect. Thank you very much for watching.